Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new dresses from Free Assembly. It has that high neckline, flutter sleeve. It's a ponny knit material. Relaxed through the front, and then also in the back. Comes in white, also in the navy and white stripe, and they're going to be $22. Also new sleeveless tanks from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, sleeveless, a stretchy material, really good length through the front and the back. Comes in navy, also in white, and they're $8. No puff sleeve eyelet dresses from Free Assembly. These have the plunging neckline, the seam detail puff sleeve, drawstring at the waist, that drop tier, seam fit around the back. Comes in white, also in the red, and these are going to be $34. Color in the puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. So this has that tie detail. It has the puff sleeve, drawstring at the waist. We saw this in the white. Also has that eyelet trim at the bottom. Seam fit through the back, and these are $34. Also new flutter sleeve top. I just ordered this online, and I'm pretty sure this color is on sale. So it has that crew neckline, eyelet flutter sleeve, a nice longer length through the front and the back. These are $16. But like I said, I think they're on sale online in the navy. I think the other colors available are full price. New flutter sleeve time and true dress. So this one has that ruffled neckline, tie detail, flutter sleeve, relaxed fit, has that drop tier, seam fit around the back. I think this one's online. It's $24.98. Dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the plunging V, this little tie detail, adjustable strap, crochet trim, flowy fit with that drop tier, and then the seam around the back. Comes in white, also in the orange, and these are going to be at $19. Also new crochet tops from No Boundaries. So these have a mid-size strap, that V neckline. It's a pointel trim, also through the side, and then the bottom. This is the extra large, more of a like shorter kind of relaxed fit. And the beige also comes in rust, and they're $10.98. Also new colors in this tie top. So we saw that print, and then also I think a white. Now they have this one, and they also have a skirt that matches back to this. I have that one. So it has the thicker strap, this little tie detail, seam fit through the back. It's actually a little shorter in the back, and these are going to be $10.98. New smock tank from No Boundaries. This one has the thin strap, the V neckline, this little ruche detailing, smocking through the body, and then it's squared in the back. It comes in this beige. It might also be in this listing, the smocked gingham. And these are $8.98. New maxi length dresses from No Boundaries. So these have the thicker strap. It's nice and stretchy, long length, squared in the back. It's that soft microfiber in the black. Also comes in the coral, and these are only $10. New color in the two-piece set. I'm pretty sure this is still on sale online. So they have the white and beige. I showed you guys the black with the fruit print, and then there was one other print that we saw in the under, I think it was under $15 or under $10. But you get the two pieces for $10, so 5 each. These are $19.98 in store. So new online only item from Time and True. So they have the pull-on skirts. They have tops that match back to these prints, and it looks like there's no price, but this was a return. And they're pull-on. They have that smock waistband with the drop tier. Also new color in the Time and True Gauze dress. So this looks like it's an online only color because there's no price on the tag, but it has the smocker on the neckline, flutter sleeve, full functioning buttons, has that seam fit through the back with the belt. So now it's available in the black, like I said, probably just online. We saw it in this purple color. There's that green, and they're $19.98. I also shared this Gauze button down, or it's like a Henley button. Boxy top from Time and True, has the drop sleeve. I shared it in the green. They also have matching shorts. I'll have them linked. And these are, I think they're $12.98 or $13.98. Color in this dress from No Boundaries. So this one has the ruffled trim, this tie detail, relaxed fit, Same through the back. Comes in the blue. There's white. We saw that rust. And these are going to be $12.98. New set from No Boundaries. So this comes with the smock top, the little plaid shorts in the blue and white stripe, also that beige and white. The two pieces are $14.98. Colors in the Time and True dresses. So these have that high neckline, sleeveless. I've shared these so many times, but now they have, it looks like fall colors. They have the rust gold, navy green, black. The black and white stripes also new. The beige and white coral navy. I said that. On this side, we got the burgundy. I did an outfit idea with that one. Turquoise, and those are only $10. New shorts from Avia. These are a Free People Look for Less. They have the drawstring tie, this little pleated detail. It also has the lining on the inside. Comes in the green with the white trim. They also have the black with white, and these are $16.98. How good are these new sets from Avia? So it's a seamless tank, has that scoop neckline, the built-in shelf bra, that contrast trim, and then the same fit through the back with the racer back, the white with the green, and then the skirt to match has that same kind of band pleating with the built-in shorts. I love this set. These are $16.98. Tank is $16.98. And then also new tank dress from Avia. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline, the built-in shelf bra, removable pads, and then the little cutout in the back. And these are going to be $21.98. New romper from Avia. So this is a full zip, has the dolman sleeve. It's a scuba material, band at the waist, that same kind of fit through the back. In the beige, also comes in the green, and they're $24.98. Also new active dress from Avia. This has the thicker strap, scoops down, the adjustable strap with the plunging, and then it also has a built-in shelf bra. Relaxed fit with the built-in shorts in the green, also comes in black, and they're $21.98. How cute are these new tees? These have that crew neckline, ribbed with the little cutout from Avia in the green, light blue, and they're $14.98. And they also have a tee option. So this has that plunging V relaxed fit. These are $6.98 in the yellow, green, white, black, light blue, dark blue, coral. And then under these they have a active skirt. So in that same kind of textured material with the built-in shorts. Comes in the white, blue, gray, and green. And these are $9.98. New mesh tanks from Athletic Work. So these have that scoop neckline, relaxed fit. They're racer back in the white, the turquoise. There's that yellow, light blue. On this side they got pink, orange, and they're $9.98. And then they also have in that same mesh material the pull-on. Oh no, actually the material is different. This is that textured material. It has a little dolphin hem. These come in the orange, yellow, white, black, and these are going to be at $9.98. We also have a new color in the butter material. So they have this new pretty lavender. It has that scoop neckline, relaxed fit. This is the tank. That's what it looks like on. These are so good with the shorts. Can't beat it. $16, and they're very comfortable to throw on. Also comes in orange, blue, black. There's white. I don't think they have white shorts. This new red, pink. They also see the pink shorts and the black. And then here are the shorts. So these are elastic waistband. I showed the try on in this blue. This is the one I picked up this year. I only got one. I should get another one though. This pink is pretty. The green. I wanted to do the green shorts with the purple top. And then they also have that beige. And they're also $7.98. Cover-ups from Time and True. So these have that plunging V, long sleeve. It's relaxed through the wrist, relaxed through the body. And then the same kind of fit through the back. Comes in black and white, also in the pink and red. And these are going to be $20.98. New cover-up dresses from Jessica Simpson. So these have the thin strap, that plunging V, has the drop tier and scoops in the middle. Comes in the ivory, also in this print. and these are going to be $26. So new Time and True cover up. So these have that scoop neckline, textured material, crisscrosses in the back, in the white, also comes in black. And these are $16.98 right next to it. It's buttoned up, has the button detail on the wrist, that drawstring at the bottom, pocket in the black, also comes in white. And these are $20.98. New one piece from Jessica Simpson. This has the plunging V, this little crisscross. It has that crochet look, and then it ties in the back. This one is going to be $32, and then to match they have the little shorts. These have an elastic waistband tie, flowy fit, and they are going to be $16. New pajama pants from Joyce Bun. So these have an elastic waistband. It's a satin material, flowy fit through the front and the back, in the pink with the zebra print. There's like some people in there, and then they also have the new leopard. It's that same satin material. They're solid black, and these are going to be $14.98. On this side they have the same prints in the shorts. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, little side pocket. This one comes in the pink with the tigers. There's a leopard, the solid black, and then a black, blue and white geometric print, and they are going to be $10.98. New sets from Joyce Bun. These have the thin strap, that V neckline, the lace trim. It's a super soft microfiber material, squared in the back. Shorts are pull-on, that same kind of fit through the back. In the teal with the leopard, they also have this gray with the zebra. There's a blue sun, moon, stars, a leopard, and these sets are going to be $9.98. Also have the same print in a nightgown. So this one has the thin straps, V neckline. They have a blue star, that same zebra, the floral we saw the pink polka dot before. There's also this teal with the leopard. It's really pretty, and these are $9.98. Sleep shirts from Joyce Bun. These have the smaller collar, full button down, has the pocket detail, that same fit through the back in the beige and white, also comes in the green and white stripe. There's a banana print, and they are going to be $17.98. They also have it in a little shirt and shorts. I have this in, I think it's like a blue print, but it's so comfortable. It's one of my go-to pajamas. These have the smaller collar, full button, drop sleeve, relax through the wrist. Shorts are pull-on, like boxer style. Also comes in that blue stripe, the coral stripe, and that same like beige stripe. And these sets are $21.98. It says they're on sale for $17.98. They also have the two-piece pajama set in this turquoise like leopard print. So these have the smaller collar, lapel. This is that cropped pant option. They're soft, stretchy. I've showed these a couple times, but I love that print, and these are $16.98. Also new lace bralettes from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, has that mesh bottom. It's pull-on with adjustable straps, lots of colors, white, peach, pink, rust, turquoise, black, and nude, and those are $9.44. Pretty is this one with the multi-strap. This is also medium support, has a little crisscross with the keel in the back. In the red, also comes in this gray and white. There's a black, and then that light blue color. These are $13.98. Usually buy these strapless bras, and then what I like to do, you know, to give you that like plastic surgery look, is you wear two, or if you just like want to be comfortable, I always like double them, and then you're good to go. You could pretty much do anything, and they're comfortable. They are a little pricey. They're $17.98 now, so sometimes I'll get them when they're on sale, but they come in white. There's also nude and black. So it doesn't matter if I've been like super small and needed to just like so that it stays on, and then I've also been like, you know, after I had Lily, just needed that support, and that's how I was comfortable wearing strapless bras. So came in this aisle because they have these if you have racer back tops for the summer. So it looks like it gives you assorted colors, nude, black, and clear, 3 strap solutions. And you can wear your racer back tops. These are $6.98 for the 3, which isn't bad. It's better than waiting for Amazon. New long line sports bras from Avia. So these have the thicker strap, square neckline. It's a cropped kind of fit. It's a medium support. In the teal, they also have taupe and then white, and those are $15.98. New wristlets from Time and True. So these have that top zipper, the card holder. This little card holder is also removable, and then that little zippered compartment. In the black, also comes in pink, and they're $11.97. And then right above it, new wristlets from Time and True. So these have the snap closure, little card holder, the zippered compartment. In the black, also comes in this pink. This floral print is new. And then this little canvas, and they're $13.97. New pouches from No Boundaries. So this one has the top zip, the little removable wristlet. How cute are the little charms? And then they have this orange one with this little charm. And these are $9.98. It's really cute, and you get the little charm. They have a new little mini taupe print. Now they have the yellow with the lemons. We saw, I think it was oranges or like cherry. It was the cherry one. So it was this in a smaller print, or maybe strawberry. But these are $16.98. That one, there's cherries is new. We saw the oranges, and then the small ones are $14.98. New colors in this little crochet kimono. These are so nice to just layer on top of dresses, tees with shorts, bathing suits. They have that ribbed neckline, dolman sleeve, really good length. Now in this new coral, also comes in this new light blue, the turquoise. We had black and white before, and then also this beige with the shimmer. And they are going to be $19.97. We also brought back the Converse suits from No Boundaries. So these have a round toe. This time they did a little bit of a lift. Slip on. These are $22.98. And then they also have this flat option, or like the smaller low top with the same rubber top. These are $19.98. New Espadrille Little Mary Janes from Time and True. These have that square toe, the gold hardware with the buckle, espadrille bottom, and they're $22.98. New Deer foam slippers. These have that round toe, quilted, the plush trim, memory foam bottom in the gray. Also comes in the oatmeal, and these are going to be $14. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.